everyone. Many of you have asked me about the basic oral hygiene methods you need to follow. So today I am going to demonstrate the basic brushing technique and the things which you have to follow for your good oral hygiene. So this is a model which has upper and lower jaw, as you can see. So there are three common mistakes which people often do while brushing their teeth. As you can see, people either follow horizontal brushing technique, second vertical brushing, or circular motion. But all these three does not solve the purpose of cleaning the teeth. In horizontal brushing technique, as we can see, vigorous brushing may damage the gingiva and cause gingival recession, as you can see here, further leading to sensitivity of tooth. In vertical brushing technique, what happens is the debris are pushed inside the gums and eventually again it damages our gums. And in circular motion also, it is the variant of vertical brushing technique itself which also damages the gum and teeth. So you must be thinking, what is the correct technique of brushing teeth? Here it is. Hold your brush at 45 degree and start it from the last tooth. Perform small strokes like this so that it cleans the interdental area, and then swipe the brush away from the gums. Perform this from the last tooth, then the front teeth, and go to the other side of the jaw. Perform the similar procedure in the upper jaw. Brush at 45 degree angle and then away from tooth. In this way, you can cover all the surface till the other side. We have completed the outer surface of the teeth. Next, we have to move towards the top surface of the teeth, which is also called as occlusal surface. This is the top surface of the teeth. Again, start from the last tooth and then towards the other end of the teeth. Similarly, in the upper jaw, you have to follow the same process. Now, lastly, we have to cover the inner surfaces of the teeth. And what you have to do is again place the brush at 45 degree angle, small strokes, and then swipe away from the gums. Now the most important thing to follow is in the anterior region of the teeth. So for inner surface, you have to place the head of the brush at 45 degree and then clean it this way. You can see we can clean teeth in a better way from the inner side in these strokes, and then again come to the last teeth and swipe up. Similarly, you have to follow it in the upper jaw inner surfaces. Now coming towards the anterior teeth in the upper jaw, you have to hold brush at 45 degree angle like this and then away from the gums. So this is how you cover all the three surfaces of the teeth, and you have to repeat this for 3 times. After brushing your teeth, we usually forget to clean our tongue, which is equally important. So for that, you can use a tongue cleaner or you can clean it with the help of the bristles. You should also remember few pointers, that is, you should brush your teeth 2 to 3 minutes and you should brush twice daily. Don't brush your teeth more than 2 times because it will damage your teeth and gums. The next question which you might be thinking is, which type of toothbrush should we use? You should use a soft or extra soft bristles toothbrush and any toothpaste which has good fluoride content. The size of the toothpaste should cover the bristles head. One more thing which you should keep in mind is, don't brush within half an hour after eating any meal. Before going to sleep, make sure that you brush your teeth after half an hour having meal, because it causes acidic pH which will eventually damage your teeth while brushing. So avoid brushing your teeth within half an hour having any meal. So these are the few basic techniques which you should keep in mind to have a good oral hygiene. Also, don't forget to visit your dentist every 6 months so that you keep your teeth clean and healthy.